Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's nearly Christmas. It's actually December in like 4 days. I'm so excited. So let's do a little cute pink Christmas set. So I've got some nails from BT Art Box. I'll leave them linked in the description box down below because you don't have to file off the free edge. They're bloody brilliant. So we're going to go in with a perfect white on the middle finger. I still haven't ordered any. You know that thing about my brain not being great? I always forget stuff. So I need to make like an alarm or something, a reminder on my phone. Using 50 Shades of Pink on the ring finger. And then I didn't know whether to do Road Trip on the left or Sleepy Eyes on the right for the rest of the nails. I sat there for a long time, but I decided in the end we'll go for Road Trip because it is, it's such a lovely colour. So nice. So that is going on the thumb, the index and the pinky. And once all of them are cured, they're all going to have 2 coats. So 2 coats of the white, 2 coats of the pink and 2 coats of the blue as well. So this is what they're looking like. And I wanted to, so I got inspiration. Not inspiration, I pretty much copied this lady. I'll add a picture now. So see how she's got like some sparkle on the dark blue nails? So I wanted to try and recreate that as well, but I haven't really got many like blue sparkly things. And I found this from Beetles. I've used it many times before and oh, it's just so gorgeous. But I didn't know if it would work with this set. So I was like, I didn't know what to do. Again, I sat there for ages. I think it took me like nearly 2 hours just to do this set because there were so many choices. So I took a tip, a swatch, and I did it over the blue and added a matte top coat. And then I was holding it up against like the navy blue, the pink, the white. Anything goes with the navy blue and the white. Whites and the really deep dark colours and blacks, perfect. Anything will go with them. But it was the pink I was more concerned about. Didn't know whether it would go with that. But it is so nice. But I decided, yes, it will go with that. So I covered all of those blue nails with that gorgeous Beetles polish and give them all a cure. So I've wiped over all of them. I'm going to take that nail art foil glue gel stuffs onto the index finger, cure it for 2 minutes and let it cool down. And while it's curing and cooling, the thumb and the pinky are exactly the same, so we're just going to add some snowflakes to that. So I like to start off with a dot in the centre, pull all 4 sides and the tops, and then do the diagonally bits as well. And then I'm going to switch to the dotting tool again, add a dot on the end of each of those arms, and we're going to add one halfway down the stick as well. I switched to a slightly bigger dotting tool, because that one that I was using originally was so tiny. And then back to the brush and just those end dots, pull them out to create a little point. And do that to all of them, the thumb and the pinky, all of the little snowflakes. So I've wrapped some foil, gold foil, around my finger. And I'm just patting onto the one that we put the foil glue gel on. I love it. It's made such a cute little design. I love the little gold foils. So we got the 50 Shades Pink back again on my palette. I'm just going to create some drips over that nail that we've put the gold foil on. Give it a cure. If it needs 2 coats, definitely give it 2 coats. Sometimes I like to do it a bit thick so I can get away with not doing 2 coats. Which is actually a little bit naughty because if you do it too thick it can wrinkle and we don't want that. So don't be naughty, do a thin coat and do 2 of them. Okay? Right, so this is what we have so far. 2 nails left to go. I'm going to concentrate on the pink one, taking some more of that perfect white and removing the fluff off the nail. Getting my striping brush and just doing a long, vertical, down the left-hand side, and then 2 horizontal near the bottom, and then 2 horizontal near the top. Now, my hands were super shaky, so I cured after I did the 2 horizontal lines at the bottom before doing the 2 at the top. And I'm a bit of a faffer, aren't I? So again, this took me a long time. So once it's cured, I'm getting this amazing. I'm having a bit of a problem with it actually. I was just explaining that even though I'm curing it, and I'm curing it for 2 minutes, it's still like wiping away Sometimes I like to remove the sticky layer off nails if I'm using a velvet matte top coat, just in case, because some polishes do run even though they've been cured. And I did that with this and I had to do it all over again. So I'm going to get in touch with the lady that I speak to at Born Pretty and just let her know, see what she suggests. So I've just done one vertical line and then 2 horizontal lines. And now we're on to the last nail. And this is my favourite. So I've took a dotting tool and I'm just creating a lovely little, no, it's quite a big blob actually, big blobby nose. Give it a cure, add another little like catch light with the white on the tip of its nose and give that a cure. And then I'm creating, remember those unicorn cakes? Everyone was doing them and had just the nose, just the eyes and then the ears and the horn. Do the eyes just like that, if you know what I'm on about. And then we're going to do 2 ears as well, which was the bane of my life. I hated doing this. I just kept on getting, the one was fine, the one on the right. The one on the left just kept on doing its own thing. So I gave them a cure once I was happy, and then I filled in using that same 50 Shades of Pink to the little inside of the ears, and then back to that metallic drawing gel and creating some antlers for little baby Rudolph. Is it a girl or a boy? I think it's a girl because it's pink, but I like to call any animal him, he, all the time. I don't know why. So I just kind of created like a blob, pulled it down, and then did the same on the opposite side and just pulled it down and just kept on doing that. And it worked out quite well. So I'll do that, give it a cure, and then a matte top coat all of the nails. And we are done. Bit of a quick video, wasn't it? I feel like I haven't stopped talking for like 8 minutes straight now. I will leave a link to all of the products used in this video in the description box, along with all the coupon codes, so you can save yourself a little bit of cash, because it's nearly Christmas. We need our money for presents and gifts. Or maybe you could use some of the, just buy yourself a gift, use the coupon code, get some money off. Yay! Treat yourself, you deserve it. That's what I always tell myself anyway. Anyway, I'll stop rambling on. Let me know what you think of this design. Let me know if you're going to have a little go recreating it yourself. And I hope all of my American watchers and subscribers or listeners all had an amazing Thanksgiving. So we're planning on putting all of our Christmas decorations up on Wednesday, ready for the 1st of December. We usually have it up already by now, but we've been decorating. So let me know when you guys put your decorations up, if you celebrate Christmas. If not, that's fine. We're all different, aren't we? And that's what makes the world so great. Difference is amazing. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because we'll be having a video every single day in December because of that Madame Glam advent calendar, and I cannot wait. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do upload, and I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye. Thanks for watching.